Okay, so I went ahead and ran 3 beads with the flux core. Um, this is my first one. These are 2 chalk lines here. Forgive me, the light's not the best in here. And this was the bead I was running at the time, but then my breaker tripped for the first time. So this is 1/4 inch steel, max power. So I know how many beads I can run, before my breaker trips. It was welding pretty good too, I think. I obviously didn't start close enough to that tack. I was aiming for that tack. I was not the straightest, but I was getting there. So, and what I did was I increased my capacity on my visor to a 12, I believe. And then another thing that I noticed was in my visor there was a piece of plastic or something like that I thought was part of the actual lens, but it wasn't. So getting rid of that actually increased my visibility. And then of course snapping my chalk, not snapping the chalk line, but using my soapstone helped. And then that bead there I was running was with a it was that wax pin. So that's better. That's better. There's a straight-ish bead. I just gotta work on travel speed now. There's the welding table. It's okay. It's okay.